Hi guys, if you are planning to apply in Hello Rache, then this video is for you. This video is all about Hello Rache timeline from the application to the training and after the training, so you have an idea about the process. So first and foremost, of course, you need to send your application on the website, which is www.hellorache.com. If you don't know the process of the application yet, I have a video in my profile so you can just check it out. After submitting your application, you will receive this type of email within 24 to 48 hours. And it says here that your application is currently on queue and the team will review and evaluate your application within 7 days. Once your application has been evaluated, you will receive an email invitation to take the qualifying exam. The email looks something like this. There's a Zoom link right there, so you have to confirm if you can attend or not. After taking the qualifying exam, they will reach out to you through email whether you passed or you failed. Usually the waiting period for the results may vary. Like for example, in my case, I received the results 4 days after I took the exam. The email looks something like this. Congratulations on passing the qualifying examination. Kasama na sa email na yon yung interview invitation, so make sure to check the details and the time zone. That's very important. Yung initial interview, usually naglalast siya about 30 to 45 minutes. And I think I forgot to mention the qualifying exam. It usually lasts about 3 hours at maximum. And usually gabi siya, 9 to 12 midnight. Okay, back to the initial interview. Sa initial interview, mga common questions lang naman tinatanong and mostly related to healthcare, your experiences. I have a separate video on tips on how to pass the initial interview, so make sure to check it out. Yung result ng initial interview, usually it will take 24 to 48 hours and they will send it to you via email. But in the case that wala pa rin yung result, you can follow up on the previous email that you have received. But rest assured that whatever the result of the interview, whether you pass or you fail, they will always inform you through email. Next is system audit. So, itong system audit, it is conducted by the IT team. Yung system audit is ginagawa siya to check for the technical requirements of your gadgets. The laptop, the headset, the microphone that you use, if clear ba yung audio. But mostly, the specs of the laptop is being checked. So, make sure na kapag time nyo na for system audit, ay dapat yung minimum technical requirements ay nasunod nyo talaga, or else you will fail the system audit. And yung waiting period pala to receive an email about system audit may vary, so make sure that you always check your email and your spam folders for further announcements. The email for the system audit looks like this, and there's a date and schedule, so you will have to message the IT that is assigned to you via Skype. So, ayun, after ng everything, ayan, napapunta na tayo sa exciting part. Yan na yung training. So, yung training, it has 2 major exams and 1 written exam. And the training will last for 4 to 8 weeks. So, ito siya. Comprehensive Administrative Training Exam or yung CAT written exam. This is a 100-item exam before the phone certification. So, there are 2 phases of training. First is the admin training and the second is the live scribing training. Yung sa first phase ng training, yun yung my phone certification. And then after you pass the phone certification, you will be endorsed to the second phase of the training, which is the live certification. Again, if you're not familiar with the terms that I am mentioning in this video, I have an in-depth content about this in my profile, so please check it out. Just an important reminder that the training is not yet paid. You will only get paid once you have a client already, and in order for you to do that, you need to pass these exams. Yan, the CAT exam, phone certification, and live certification. After you pass everything, the exams, you will graduate, of course, with your batchmates, and there would be a small party for you to celebrate your success. And also, take note pala na you can get hired as early as 5th week of the training. So, may possibility na hindi nyo matapos yung buong training kasi nga priority nyo na yung client nyo. And ito na nga, after graduation, most of the trainees receive client interview. It will depend actually. The waiting period to have a client will really vary depending on the availability and the specialty that you will choose. Kasi before you get endorsed to a client, you will choose your preferred specialty. For example, dermatology, podiatry, ophthalmology, and all that stuff. You will know that in the training. And you will choose the specialty that you want, and also if you want to work on weekends, malalaman nyo naman yung details once na nasa training na kayo. The client interview invitation looks something like this. So, ayan. The client account manager will email you. Kaya make it a habit to check your emails from time to time kasi biglang meron na lang na client interview invitation and sayang naman kung mamimiss nyo yung opportunity, diba? And lastly, hello, $7. So, if everything went well during the client interview, syempre you will get hired and you will get paid already. We are currently hiring for batch 91, so if you're interested to apply, I have a video in my profile for the application process, and you can also check the frequently asked questions, or you can click the link in my bio to know if you are qualified to apply. Bye! Good luck, future HVAs!